Hello guys. So this is how your home screen would look after you log in to the task. Okay. And yeah, so there are two things that you need to do, two tests that you need to give. First is with AI, that would be of 20 minutes, and without AI, 20 minutes. Okay. And so let's get started. First, you have to click on open. Once you click on open, okay, the second step is click on the job ID given here. Okay. Now, after you click on the job ID, this is with AI. That means it would auto detect the threats. Okay. So there are certain steps that we have given for your betterment. In case if you face any difficulties, you can refer them. Now, there are certain shortcuts that you need to know. So if you want to go for the next image or next frame, you have to click F. If you want to go to the previous one, you have to click D. Otherwise, even if you don't get, you have this menu bar above for your help. Okay. Now, second thing is in case if you found a threat that is not detected, or it is a threat not detected by an AI, and you need to make a box around it. So there's a shortcut. You can click on N and the new box would start to draw. Otherwise, there's a menu, predefined menu as well that you can use. Okay. And yeah, apart from that, the important note is once you click on start, okay, so the countdown would begin of 20 minutes and there's no pause or restart. Okay. So be very sure, be in a comfortable space when you're doing it. Okay. Let's start. So yeah, this is with AI. Okay, the timer has started. Okay, and yeah, you can, if you want, you can use the full screen. And this is the bag. You can just resize it. And now these are the two objects that the AI has already detected. So there's razor blade here, there's a knife, and again there's a small knife here. Okay, so it is with AI, it is already detected. If you feel this image is okay and there's no more threat, so you go for the next image, that is F. You get the next image. Okay, and if in case there's any thread that you have detected, so you need to click here. Okay, which thread it is it a knife? We are doing it for gun, lighter, knife, and razor blade, only for these four. So in case like I can see there's a knife. So you click on the knife here. Okay, and then you use the shape. Okay, and just draw around it. That's it. Okay, it's a knife. So in case in AI, if the AI hasn't detected anything, there's something more, you can just make a boundary box around it and name the threat. Okay, so that was for with AI. So with AI, if you don't find any threat, all the threats are detected, the AI is doing right, you just go for the next frames. Okay, just click F and F for the next frames. Okay, and now comes your second task, that would be with without AI. And this, the thing that you saw right now, it is saving, so it would save after every 2 minutes. So this box would appear after every 2 minutes. Now yeah, now the second thing is without AI. That task you have to do for 20 minutes. So without AI again, then you have to click on next. Yeah. So without AI, there won't be anything. Like you can say the display box would be completely empty. Okay. Now you have to detect the threat. So make a box around it. Either you can use the letter N. So automatically it would come. You can make, like I can see a razor blade here. So you make it, press enter, and understand which it is. It's a razor blade. Okay. Now you have did it. There's no other thread here. You can move forward for the next frame. Okay. So I hope you have understood. In case of any doubts, again, you can contact us. Okay, so again here we can see there's a pistol. You click on N and then you need to rename it. It's a gun. That's it. Okay, so each of the tasks that you have to do, it's for 20 minutes each. Okay, yeah, so there are two tasks with AI and without AI. Okay, so you have to do it 20 minutes each. Once the 20 minutes are done, it would automatically save.